Understanding a New Paradigm, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and widely used phrase, a new paradigm. This phrase is not just common in English conversations, but also in academic, technological, and business contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what this phrase means but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's dive in. A new paradigm refers to a significant change or shift in the way we think about or approach something. It's often used when there's a groundbreaking change in theories, beliefs, or practices. For example, the shift from traditional phones to smartphones was a new paradigm in communication. This phrase comes from the word paradigm, which means a typical example or pattern of something. When we say a new paradigm, we're talking about a new pattern or model that replaces the old one. 1. Business. When a company changes its business model radically, they are adopting a new paradigm. 2. Technology. The development of artificial intelligence represents a new paradigm in computing. 3. Society. The move towards sustainable living is a new paradigm in lifestyle choices. By looking at these examples, we can see that a new paradigm is used when referring to revolutionary changes that alter the conventional way of thinking or doing things. Let's practice using this phrase. 1. The introduction of the Internet was a new paradigm in global communication. 2. Remote work is becoming a new paradigm for professionals worldwide. 3. In education, online learning platforms are creating a new paradigm for students and teachers. Notice how the phrase is typically used to describe big, impactful changes. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, a new paradigm, and how you can use it in your daily English. Remember, it's all about significant shifts and changes in thinking or practice. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.